Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got my latest Trendsend bags to share with you. This is only my second Trendsend bags. My first one was pretty good. I was impressed. Yep. Do you see what I'm wearing? This was my least favorite top for my Stitch Fix. And it's the first one I pulled for. Go figure, right? So anyway, are you ready to see what I got in my Trendsend box? There's some animal print. Are you surprised? All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so the first dress is by the brand Sunday in Brooklyn, the snake knit tank dress in snake size large, $88, 90% polyester, 10% elastane. So it's a little bit short. It comes just above my knee. So, you know, obviously it wouldn't be a work dress. I don't really care for the fit of this dress. So it has an elastic band and it falls right here. Now it's supposed to be a waistband, I think, but if I pulled it up, like I tried to pull it up to where my natural waist is, and the dress was like really short. So I just pulled it down so I could show you what the dress looks like. It does have a bit of like a tulip hemline almost at the bottom because it does kind of, can you see that? I mean, I love the print of this dress, but it's like a bodycon type of dress too. I wouldn't call this a knit dress. No, I don't think of knit when I look at this dress. Very tight. I don't know why they sent me a large. I am an extra large, and I did fix my sizing because for some reason they had large and I'm not a large, I'm an extra large. And so, yeah, I don't know. It's cute, but it's just not me. And it doesn't, I think if you were taller, this would be a good dress. I mean, if you're taller though, it's going to be short. So I don't know. I do love the print of it. Let me show you the back. So yeah, this one's gonna go back. $88 is a little bit pricey too. All right, I'm gonna change into the next dress. Okay, all I have to say is, yikes. Okay, let's talk about it. This is by Z Supply. It's the Leopard flared jumpsuit in leopard. It's a size large. It's $79, 95% rayon, 5% spandex. Oh boy, what's going on here? So it is a jumpsuit. It is just flowy. It's just all sorts of flowy. Look at it. I mean, it's very comfortable. Super comfortable. All right, let's talk about what I like. So I like the print, of course. You knew that. I like that it has pockets, and I like the length of the jumpsuit. I think that, you know, I'm 5'2", and it hits me at a good, you know, spot on my ankles, but oh boy. It's too bad that this jumpsuit isn't a bit more, you know, I think the legs are too wide. I think if the legs weren't as wide, I'm okay with flowy. And I think flowy done right looks great, but I just think it might be too much material. I mean, and like I said before, I'm normally an extra large, so this must run big. They sent me a large in this. Boy, is it super big. So I did just pull my bra straps down so you couldn't see them because it is a spaghetti strap. I mean, the animal print is very cute. It does have some ruching here too. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, this is going to be a no, but it is super comfortable. Wow, it would be great. You know, this would be great loungewear. Super comfortable. Oh, let's see the back of it. I'll show you the back of it. Yeah, I don't think it's flattering. Unless, you know, I watch back, I'm like, ooh. It is, but no, I don't think so. I don't know. There's nothing that defines the waist area, and I kind of feel like I need that. I don't know if I put a belt, maybe, if that would change things. Probably not. I'm just trying to love it, I think, because it's animal print. But I mean, actually, if you bring it in a little bit, I'm trying too hard, huh? You're saying, come on, he'll pass. There's no hope for it. Yeah, I don't know. It's easy on and off though, because you could just pull it right down. It's one of those jumpsuits that you don't need to like button or zip or anything like that. So it is an easy on and off piece, and I like those. Let me know what you think. All right, I'm gonna move on to the next item. Okay, so next top is by the brand Michael Stars, and this is the tie-dye tank in berry. It's an extra large, $78. It is 100% cotton. I do think that it's cute. I just wouldn't pay $78 for something like this. That's just me. I don't know that the color is right for me either. I do like the tie-dye and the way that it's kind of like moving on the shirt. You know what I mean? The length is good. There's nothing wrong with it. It feels nice, but yeah, it's not like a wow piece for me. And I think it might be the color. I don't know that I care for the color on me. I don't know. All right, let me show you the back. You know, Michael Stars is a good brand, and the quality is definitely there. You could feel that the quality is there, but it's not a wow piece, so I am going to pass on this piece too. All right, let me move on to the next outfit. Okay, so this top is by the brand Bobi, and this is the short sleeve pocket tee in white, extra large, $48, 100% cotton. Are you sitting there like, what's up with you getting all these pocketed tees lately? Because I am. It is short, pretty short, huh? If I lift my arms, it won't be a pretty sight. I do wish it was a V-neck. You know, I was saying in one of my other videos that I have a lot of like business casual type of pieces, you know, stuff to wear to work. And I don't have much casual. I mean, I do, like I have my jeans and I have, you know, I usually pull for those tops to wear on the weekends. But, you know, I like casual tops too. When you come home from work and you don't want to get into your PJs right away, you know what I mean? But you still want something to be comfortable in and, you know, look cute if you got to run to the grocery store or something like that. So, you know, these types of pieces would be cute, but yeah, no, this one's not it. I do like the sleeve length though. I do think it's a good sleeve length, but it's just not for me. Let me show you the back of it. All right, I'm gonna grab the kimono and we're gonna keep rolling. I love the kimono. It's by Michael Stars. It is a bit pricey, but I think this is my winner in the box. This is the last item. I didn't get that many items, you know. I'm gonna talk about this in the recap, but let's talk about the kimono first. I love the tassel detail. You see that? And I love the tie-dye detail too. It's like a kind of a deeper coral. Not true red, it's more of a coral. All right, I'm trying not to show you my stomach when I put the kimono on. All right, I can't wait to get this t-shirt off. Okay, let me fix my hair. I think this is cute. What do you think? I really like it. So I actually saw Barbara over at BC Sells. She got a kimono in her Trendsend and it was a black, I think it was black and white. And I really want that one. I'm gonna request that one. I think I want this one too though. You know I'm a kimono girl. You think it's pretty? I like it. I think it's really fun. Kind of comes down a little bit long, but that's okay with me. It fits great. It's very comfortable. Kimonos are a good like grab and go piece. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this. Let me show you the back. They're good for when you want to look cute but be comfy. This one's very comfy. I like it. Did I tell you the material? I think I did, but it's 100% viscose and it is a one size type of item. I like it. It's really cute. See the tassel detail? Oh, I think it's adorable. I really do. I love the tassel detail. All right, I think this is my keeper. I'll be right back. I'm gonna change and we'll do a quick recap. Okay, so it wasn't the best box. It wasn't terrible, but I do have a winner. I think I'm gonna keep that kimono. I know it's pricey, but I really like that kimono, and I'm a kimono girl. I think it's a fun summer kimono, and I love the tassel detail. Let me know what you think. Now, what I wanna ask you to do is leave me your favorite store to get your Trendsend boxes from below. I think what happened is now I've been getting only my second box, but my boxes have come from my local store, which is small. So I feel like inventory can be low and there's not as much to choose from. So what I wanna know from you is which store do you get your Trendsend boxes from? Because I think I want to get it somewhere else so that I can still shop my Trendsend store or my evereve store and get my Trendsend boxes from a different evereve store. You know what I mean? So let me know where you get your Trendsend boxes if you get fantastic boxes. So anyway, I think I have a keeper. That's always a win, right? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video.